Disclaimer: educational purposes only, not financial advice. The new American money rules nobody taught you in school. 1. What if I told you that most Americans spend more than 12 years in school, yet almost nobody is ever taught how money actually works? We're taught how to solve equations, memorize historical dates, and pass exams, but rarely how to build wealth, create passive income, or make our money grow over time. The reality is that the financial rules have changed, and if you're still following the old playbook, you could be working harder while getting further behind. 2. For decades, people believed that working one stable job was enough to guarantee a comfortable future. But today's economy is different. Inflation continues to reduce purchasing power, living expenses keep rising, and millions of Americans are realizing that relying on a single paycheck may no longer be enough. The new money rule is simple: one income source creates risk, while multiple income streams create security. 3. Look at how wealthy people approach money. They don't simply trade hours for dollars. Instead, they build systems that generate income whether they are actively working or not. Investments, dividend stocks, rental properties, digital businesses, royalties, and automated side hustles all work together to create long-term financial freedom. 4. One of the biggest mistakes people make is believing that saving money alone will make them wealthy. Saving is important, but money sitting idle slowly loses value because of inflation. The new American money rule is to make every dollar work. Wealthy families understand that cash should either be earning interest, generating dividends, or invested in productive assets. 5. Another lesson schools rarely teach is the incredible power of compound growth. Compounding means earning returns not only on your original investment, but also on the profits you've already made. Over years and decades, this simple concept can transform modest savings into life-changing wealth. Time, not timing, is often the greatest advantage an investor has. 6. Many successful investors follow a simple strategy: invest consistently regardless of market conditions. Instead of waiting for the perfect time, they continue buying quality assets month after month. This approach, known as dollar-cost averaging, helps reduce emotional decisions and builds wealth steadily through market ups and downs. 7. The average American often upgrades their lifestyle every time their income increases. A bigger house, a newer car, more expensive vacations, and luxury subscriptions quickly consume the extra earnings. Millionaires often do the opposite. They increase their investments faster than they increase their spending. This small habit creates a huge difference over time. 8. Debt itself is not always the enemy. The real difference lies between good debt and bad debt. High-interest credit card balances that finance consumption can become financial traps. But strategic debt used to purchase appreciating assets or profitable businesses can help accelerate wealth creation. Understanding this distinction is one of the hidden money rules of modern America. 9. Financial freedom isn't about making millions overnight. It's about creating enough assets that eventually cover your monthly expenses. When your investments generate more income than your bills, you've reached a powerful milestone where money begins working for you instead of the other way around. 10. Another secret many successful Americans follow is paying themselves first. Before paying bills, shopping, or entertainment expenses, they automatically move a percentage of every paycheck into savings and investments. Even 10 or 15% invested consistently over many years can produce extraordinary long-term results. 11. Technology has changed the financial game completely. Today, anyone with a smartphone can invest in index funds, build an online business, sell digital products, or earn passive income through content creation. Opportunities that were once available only to the wealthy are now accessible to ordinary people willing to learn and take action. 12. Diversification is another rule that often separates successful investors from everyone else. Instead of relying on one company, one investment, or one source of income, wealthy individuals spread their assets across different sectors. Stocks, real estate, small businesses, and cash reserves all play different roles in building financial stability. 13. One of the fastest ways to improve your financial future is to avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because your salary increases doesn't mean your expenses should grow at the same speed. The gap between what you earn and what you spend is where wealth is actually created. Protect that gap, and your future self will thank you. 14. Successful people also understand the value of continuous learning. Financial education doesn't end after graduation. Reading books, studying markets, following economic trends, and learning new skills can dramatically increase your earning potential. Knowledge compounds just like money does, creating opportunities that many people never see. 15. Perhaps the biggest money rule nobody taught in school is that wealth is usually built quietly. Most millionaires don't look like celebrities or influencers. They often drive practical cars, avoid unnecessary debt, invest consistently, and think decades ahead instead of chasing short-term trends. True wealth is about freedom, not appearances. 16. The good news is that you don't need to be born rich to apply these principles. You don't need a six-figure salary or a winning lottery ticket. By controlling spending, investing consistently, creating multiple income streams, and letting time work in your favor, ordinary Americans can build extraordinary financial futures. And this is only the beginning of the money rules that can completely change the way you think about wealth. 17. Another financial lesson that most schools never teach is the importance of owning assets instead of simply collecting paychecks. Assets are things that put money into your pocket: stocks, real estate, businesses, or investments. Liabilities take money out of your pocket. The more assets you build over time, the more financial freedom you create. 18. Many Americans focus only on increasing income, but successful wealth builders focus on increasing net worth. Your salary may go up every year, but if your debts and expenses rise even faster, you're not truly getting ahead. Real financial progress comes from growing what you own while controlling what you owe. 19. One of the biggest hidden advantages wealthy families have is long-term thinking. They make decisions based on where they want to be 10, 20, or even 30 years from now. While many people chase instant gratification, successful investors understand that patience is often the highest-paying financial skill. 20. Emergency funds may not sound exciting, but they are one of the smartest money rules you can follow. Unexpected expenses happen to everyone. Medical bills, job changes, or car repairs can quickly become financial disasters without savings. A solid emergency fund protects your investments and keeps you from relying on expensive debt. 21. Credit scores also play a much bigger role in modern American life than many people realize. A strong credit history can lower mortgage costs, reduce insurance premiums, and unlock better financial opportunities. Building good credit habits today can save thousands of dollars over your lifetime. 22. The wealthy often understand that taxes are one of their biggest expenses. Instead of ignoring them, they learn legal strategies to manage taxes through retirement accounts, long-term investing, and business deductions. It's not about avoiding taxes. It's about understanding the rules and using them wisely. 23. Retirement is no longer just about pensions. Today, many Americans build retirement through personal investing. Accounts like 401(k)s, IRAs, and diversified portfolios allow ordinary workers to participate in long-term wealth creation. The earlier you start, the greater the impact of compound growth. 24. Another powerful money rule is to never stop developing valuable skills. In today's economy, your ability to solve problems, communicate effectively, and adapt to change can significantly increase your earning power. Investing in yourself often provides returns that outperform many traditional investments. 25. Side businesses have become one of the fastest-growing wealth-building tools in America. Many successful entrepreneurs started with small projects outside their regular jobs. A simple online business, consulting service, or digital product can eventually become a major source of passive or semi-passive income. 26. The internet has completely changed the financial landscape. Today, knowledge can become income. Educational content, online courses, affiliate marketing, and digital products allow ordinary people to monetize their expertise. The barrier to entry has never been lower for those willing to learn. 27. successful investors also understand that market corrections are normal. Instead of panicking when prices fall, they often see opportunities. History has shown that markets move through cycles, and disciplined investors who stay focused on the long term are often rewarded for their patience. 28. One of the most overlooked money rules is protecting your downside. Insurance, emergency savings, diversification, and careful planning all work together to reduce financial risk. Building wealth isn't just about making money, it's also about protecting what you've already built. 29. Many people believe that becoming wealthy requires taking huge risks. In reality, most millionaires build their fortunes through small, consistent actions repeated over many years. Regular investing, controlled spending, and disciplined habits often outperform risky shortcuts. 30. Another lesson schools rarely discuss is the value of financial habits. Wealth isn't usually created by one big decision. It's created by hundreds of small decisions made every month: saving before spending, investing regularly, avoiding unnecessary debt, and staying committed to long-term goals. 31. Time is the one resource nobody can replace. Every year you delay investing is a year that compounding cannot work for you. Starting with smaller amounts today often produces better long-term results than waiting years to invest larger amounts later. 32. The new American money rules aren't complicated, but they require discipline. Build assets, control expenses, invest consistently, think long-term, and let compound growth work in your favor. These simple principles have helped countless ordinary people create extraordinary financial futures, and they're available to anyone willing to apply them. 33. One of the biggest differences between financially successful people and everyone else is that they understand the difference between being rich and being wealthy. Looking rich often means spending money on expensive lifestyles. Building wealth means quietly acquiring assets that generate income for years to come. 34. Modern banking technology has made managing money easier than ever before. Mobile banking, automatic transfers, investment apps, and digital budgeting tools allow Americans to take complete control of their financial future with just a few simple habits. 35. Every successful financial journey begins with a decision. The decision to stop living paycheck to paycheck, stop making emotional purchases, and start thinking like an investor instead of just a consumer can completely transform your future. 36. Many wealthy people understand that money is simply a tool. Instead of spending every extra dollar, they use money to buy assets that create even more money. This simple mindset shift often becomes the foundation of long-term financial freedom. 37. America has always rewarded innovation, hard work, and smart financial planning. Throughout history, ordinary people have built extraordinary wealth by consistently applying basic money principles and remaining patient through changing economic conditions. 38. Professional investors know that financial success is not about predicting the future perfectly. It's about building a plan that works through uncertainty. Diversification, discipline, and consistency help protect wealth while allowing it to grow over time. 39. One powerful money rule is to automate good financial habits. Automatic investing, automatic savings, and automatic bill payments reduce emotional decisions and help create consistency without requiring daily effort. 40. Many Americans underestimate the value of small financial improvements. Saving a little more, investing a little earlier, and reducing unnecessary expenses may seem insignificant today, but over decades these habits can create remarkable financial outcomes. 41. Financial independence is often less about how much you earn and more about how much you keep and invest. Two people with identical salaries can have completely different financial futures depending on their spending and investing habits. 42. The wealthiest families often think in generations rather than years. They focus on creating financial security not only for themselves but also for their children and future generations through education, investments, and responsible money management. 43. Building wealth requires emotional discipline. Markets rise and fall, economies change, and unexpected events happen. Those who remain calm and continue following their long-term strategy often achieve better results than those constantly reacting to fear and excitement. 44. Another important rule is to never stop learning. The economy evolves, technology changes, and new opportunities emerge every year. Continuous financial education allows ordinary Americans to stay competitive and make smarter money decisions. 45. Successful entrepreneurs and investors understand that failure is often part of the journey. Small mistakes become valuable lessons that improve future decisions. Every setback can become an opportunity to grow stronger financially and mentally. 46. The new American money rules are built around ownership, patience, consistency, and personal responsibility. They encourage people to think beyond monthly paychecks and begin creating systems that produce long-term financial security. 47. Imagine where your finances could be 5, 10, or 20 years from now if you consistently followed these principles. Small investments, smart habits, multiple income streams, and disciplined spending can create life-changing results over time. 48. The truth is that nobody is coming to build your financial future for you. Schools may not teach these lessons, but that doesn't mean you cannot learn them today. The sooner you apply these new money rules, the sooner you begin building real wealth and lasting financial freedom. 49. Disclaimer: this content is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before making financial decisions. 50. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family who want to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Join the Save Smart USA community for weekly videos on smart money habits, investing, passive income, wealth building, and practical financial strategies designed for everyday Americans.